Now time negative $1, $50, now negative $1, $50, negative $50, now 17, it's 17, I'm in 3, negative now 22 and a half, 22 and a half, at 2,000, negative 22 and a half, the upgrade, negative 22 and a half, 2,000, 22 and a half, Robbie, 22 and a half, negative 22, 50, now negative 22 and a half, negative 22 and a half, it's 22 and a half, 2,000 bid, 22 and a half on the NAA, 2,000, 22 and a half, negative 22 and a half, it's 2 and a half, negative 22 and a half, negative 22, 50, negative 22, negative 22, 50, now 2, negative 22, 50, all we have ordered, at 22 and a half, negative 22, 50, negative 2, negative 22, 52, now 22 and a half, Steve Barnett, 2,030. 3010 164 Steve, you probably know much about this tractor as anybody else here. It runs. We used it around here the other day. John and I and Aaron did. 3010, yep, 3010 John Deere right there. One Stu had around here for quite a while. That there, buying the 3010 right there, and I'll get $7,500. 7,500, negative 7,500, negative 5, negative 5, 75, negative 5, 75, negative 5, negative 5 grand, 500, negative 5, negative 5, negative 5, 25, 3 grand, 2,500, negative 30, 25, negative 30, now 30, 25, negative 30, now 30, 30, 30, now 5, negative 5, negative 32 and a half, 3,500, negative 7 and a half, 37 and a half, 4, negative 4, now 2 and a half, 42 and a half, 2 and a half, 2 and a half, now 5, negative 5, 45, now 7 and a half, 47 and a half, 45, now 7 and a half, 5, negative 5, 5, now 2 and a half, 52 and a half, 50, 500, negative 5, 5, 55, 7 and a half, 87 and a half, 6,000, negative, now 2 and a half, 52 and a half, now 5, 6,500 out there, 2 negative 5, my way, 2 negative 5, 2 negative 5, negative 5, negative 5, 6,500, 2 negative 5, bids up front, 2 negative 5, now 7 and a half, 67 and a half, 67 and a half, 7,000 under, negative 7, negative 7, it's 7 pound there, now 67, negative 7, negative 7, 7, 7, negative 7, negative 7, 67, negative 7, it's 7,000 under, negative 67 and a half, 7,000 under, negative 7 and a half, 7, collector tractor, 67 and a half, 7 pound there, negative 7, negative 7, it's 7 pound there, negative 67, negative 7, negative 7, negative 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, negative 7, 67, negative 7, beyond that, I have 67 and a half, $7,000, I have 67 and a half, negative 7, negative 7, 7, 67, negative 7, 7, we'll try again, 67, negative 7, negative 7, 67, negative 7,000. Sold the tractor, 67, 15, 129, buyer, 129, 4, 19, 10. You gotta raise the bucket up and have pressure on it. Power steering worked the other day. We used the tractor around here. Aaron and I and John used the tractor and Steve moved stuff around. The tractor runs good. I will tell you, when you go to start it, preheat it, open your throttle all the way up, she'll fire it and take your throttle halfway up. It took me 3 days to figure that out. John said, well, hell, I could have told you that. Buy a nice little diesel right there and get $7,500 done. 7,500, negative 7,500, negative 5, negative 5, 75, negative 5, 75, negative 5, negative 5 grand, negative 5, negative 5, negative 3, 35, thank you. 3 grand, 3,500, negative 3, negative 35, negative 3, negative 2 and a half, 3, negative 32, 50, negative 3, negative 2, 50, now 3,000, now 5, 3,500, negative 5, 35, now 7 and a half, 35, now 7 and a half, 7 and a half, 7 and a half, now 4, negative 4, ding it in, now 4, negative 4, 4, negative 4, now 4, now 2 and a half, 42 and a half, 2 and a half, now 5, 4,500, negative 5, 4,500, now 5, now 7 and a half, 45, now 7 and a half, now 7 and a half, Michael, 46, 47, 47, great, 47, negative 7, 8, negative 8, negative 8, now 9, negative 90, negative 9, 5, if 5 grand, now 5, 5, 5, negative 5, 14, negative 5, if 5,000, under 14, negative 5, 14, negative 5, negative 5, negative 5, 1, negative 1, negative 5100, negative 5, 1, and now 2, 5,200, negative 2, now 3, now 33, 53, now 33, now 3, 53, now 33, 50, 300, and now 5,400, now 4, 5,400, now 4, now 5, now 5,500, negative 5, 4, negative 5, 5,500, now 4, negative 5, 55, negative, now 6, negative 7, negative 5, 5600, now 7, 5,700, now you're out there, Aaron, you're out, 57, he's out, 5,700, negative 6, negative 7, 5,700, now 7, negative 7, now 7, 5,700, now 50, now 8, 5,800, now 8, sir, 58, now 9, negative 90, negative 9, negative 90, negative 9, 5,900, now 8, now 9, now 9, now 6, negative 6, negative 6, now $6,000, now 1, 6,100, now 6, negative 100, now 6, negative 1, negative 1, 6, negative 60, 100, now 6, negative 1, 60, 100, now 6, negative 100, now 6, negative 1, negative 1, 6, negative 1, negative 1, 6, negative 1, 60, 100, now 6, negative 1, all in, all done, 6, negative 100, now 6, now 2, 62, negative 2, now 3, now 3, 3, now 4, negative 4, now 4, now 4, now 5, negative 5, 5, negative 5, 6, 600, now 6, negative 10, now 7, now 67, negative 7, now 7, now 7, now 7, 67, 67, negative 7, 7, 6, negative 7, 6700, now 6, negative, get a boost, negative 7, negative 7, now 7, now 8, 1600, now 8, John, 800, negative 800, now 8, now 8, now 7, negative 6800, and now 9, negative 90, negative 9, Beth, negative and he down 90, down, you just wanted to see if I had anybody, didn't you? 68 down 90, down, get him a 90, down 9, and 6900, down, get him a 9, get him a 900, down, get him a 9, get him a 9, all in, all done, he down, get him a 90, down, get him a 9, 6900, down, get him a 9, get him a 90, down, get him a 9, down, get him a 90, down, get him a 90, down, 9, and I sold it right there, $6,800. Put that on buyer. 94. 94, buyer, 94. We're going up here. That's good. We'll catch both these John Deeres. Got the MT to start with here. How many is there? Don't know nothing about this one. The boys said they don't think Stewart ever had this one running yet right there. Buy an MT right there and give 1,000 on. $1,000. 1,000. Then get him a time, then get him a time, then get him a time, get him a time, then get him a 700. 700. Then get him a 7, then get him a 7, 7, 7, then get him a 7, then get him a 7, then get him a 7, 3, 2, 3, 200, 300. Now 3, now 4, then get him a ball, 4, now 5, then get him a 5, then get him a 5, now 6, then get him a 6, you're out Robert C, 5, then get him a 6, 600, then get him a 5, then get him a cigar, then get him a 5, then get him a cigar, now 6, then get him a 6, then get him a 5, now 600, then get him a 5, then get him a 6, 600.
Got a pencil in here. It's vintage.
What's the pencil say?
Downtown Meat Market.
Downtown Meat Market. My uncle Charles used to cut meat there at Downtown Meat Market for old man. Size 6.
There you go.
Size 6. 600. Ralph, what was the old guy's name? Ralph Farlow. 5-6. 500 head, then get him a 5. Robert C. You're out. 500 head, then get him a 5, then get him a cigar, then get him a 5 head. Now 7. 700 RE, then get him a 9, now 9, then get him a 90, then get him a 9, then get him a 9, look up there, then get him a 9, then get him a 90, then get him a 9, then get him a 9, then get him a 9, hit 900 RE, then get him a 90, then get him a 9, somebody come get him, now 1,000, then get him a 1,000, now 1,000, 900, then get him a 1,000, then get him a 900, then get him a 1,000, then get him a 900, then get him a 1,000, then get him a 1,000, 900, then get him a 1,000, 900, then get him a 1,000, then get him a 1,000, 900, down 9, sold it, $900. Put that on 129, bar 129. The B, Stu did have it running, right, boys? Yep, Stu did have the B running right there. They put the charger on there, Steve did, and John had rolled over, but they didn't take a shot. They didn't try very hard. I said, let's let it go, we'll pull it out. But Stu did have the old B running right there, and give $2,000, huh? $2,000, then get him a 2, 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 then get him a 15, 1,500, then get him a 15, then get him a 15, then get him a 15, then get him a 1,000, then get him a 1,000, then get him a 5, 6, 600 on the old B, now 7, now 8, 800, now 7, then get him 800, now 7, then get him 800, now 7, 8, now 9, then get him a 9, now 1,000, then get him a 1,000, then get him now 11, 1100, 10, 11, now you're both out, 10, then get him 1100, then get him a 10, 11, then get him a 10, 11, then get him 11, then get him a 10, 11, 1100, now 11, you want bid man, now 1100, then get him a 10, now 1100, then get him a 1,000, then get him 1100, then get him $1,000, 1100, it's not stuck, he had it running a year or so ago, 1,011, then get him a 10, now 1100, then get him a 10, now 11, then get him a 10, then get him 11, 1100, then get him a 10, then get him 1100, then get him a 10, now 1100, then get him a 10, then get him 11, all in, all done up, 11, 12, 1200, 11, 12, 12, what do you mean no?
Yeah, done enough?
No, it's never enough, 11, 12, 11, 12, 11, 12. 11, 12. This one was running about a year ago. 11, 12. 11 and a half. Now 12, young men. 1,200. 11 and a half, 12. 1,200. Now half. And then get a bit of a $12, 12 and a half. 1,200. 12 and a half. And then get a bit of a $12, 12 and a half. I'll tell you when it's enough. 1,200. 12 and a half. And then get a bit of a $12, 12 and a half. And then get a bit of a $12 and a half. At 1,200. Then get a bit of a $12, 12 and a half. And then get a bit of a $12, 12 and a half. 12 and a half. 13. $1,300, John. 1,300. Then get a bit. Now half. 13 half. $1,400. 14. Then get a bit of 1,400. Now half. 14 and a half. 15. $1,500. Then get a bit of a $15. Then get a bit of a $15. 15. Now half. 15 and a half. $1,600, then get a bit of now half, then get a bit of now half, 1,600, then get your tight wads, then get a bit of now half, then get a bit of now half, then get a bit of Dave. So John's way, $1,600. Bob's number is
157.
157, Bar 157, right on up. Hey, what we'll do, we'll say the machine first, then we'll say the cornet, then we'll say the grain table. If you want to put them back together, you can. Come out the other day and Steve got in here with a little shot of ether and she fired right up. So there you go. Find the 4,400 right there and get 3,500 on it. 3,500, then get a bit 35, then get a bit about 35, get a bit about 9, get a bit 25 on just the machine. 2,500, then get a bit 25, then get a bit about 21, then get a bit about 9, get a bit 2 grand, then get a bit 2, then get a looking right at you too. 2 grand, 2,000, then get a bit 2, 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 then get a bit of 1,500, then get a bit of 1,500, then get a bit of $1,000 on $1,000, then get a bit out, then get a bit out, now 12 and a half, 1,000, 12 and a half, then get a bit of 15, then get a bit 12 and a half, then get a bit of 15, now 10, 12 and a half, then get a bit of 15, now 1,000, then get a bit of 15, 1,500, now 15, then get a bit of 15, 15, now 17 and a half, 15, then get a bit of 70 off Michael, 15, now 17, now 1,500, then get a bit of 17, 15, then get a bit of 1,500, then get a bit of 17, 15, then get a bit of it does run, 1,500, then get a bit of 17, 15, then get a bit of 15, 17 and a half, 15, then get a bit of 17, at 17 and a half, 15, then get a bit of 17, 15, then get a bit of 1,500, then get a bit of 17, 15, anybody else 1,500, then get a bit of 17, 15, then get a bit of 15, 17, 17, Ricky, that's 16, 16, you said, 16, 17, 1700, now 18, Ricky, 18, I'm going to be teen, 17, I'm going to be teen, 18, Ricky, 17, 18, 1800, $100, I'm going to be teen, 100, I'm going to be 17, going to be teen, 1800, $1,800, 1700, I'm going to be teen, 100, all done, 17, I'm going to be teen, 1900, I'm going to be 19, 19, $1,900 now, 2, I'm going to be do, teen, I'm going to be do, teen, I'm going to be do, $2,000, teen, I'm going to be do, $1,900, I'm going to be do, 19, I'm going to be 2, I'm going to be do, 19, up 2, 2,100, I'm going to be do, I'm going to be 1, $2,100, now 2, 21, I'm going to be do, 100, I'm going to be 1, I'm going to be do, and 21, 2, I remember them things brought $10,000, 21, 2, I'm going to be 1, I'm going to be do, at 2,100, I'm going to be do, 21, I'm going to be do, 21, I'm going to be do, 21, I'm going to be do, at 2,200, I'm going to be 1, do, Facebook Live, 21, I'm going to be do, 21, I'm going to be do, 22, and 2,200, I'm going to be 1, do, emails, 21, I'm going to be do, 21, I'm going to be do, sold in the back, $2,100 buyer number is. That's all we need, your number, you can pay the girls later.
107.
107. Fine 3-row cord head right here. You've been here. Have it is there. $500 on. $500 on a 3-row cord head. 500. Then get it 500. You have a question? Oh, 100 2. 100 now 2. 100 then get it 200. Then get it 1 1/2. 100 then get it 50. 150 on the cord head. 100 now half. 100 now 2. Then get it do. Now half. 2 and a half. Now 3. Then get it 3. Now half. 3 and a half. 3 and a half. 4. Then get it 100. Then get it more. 4 and a half. Then get it 50. Now 5. Then get it now 6. Then get it 7. Now 7. Then get it 7. Now 7. 7. 7. 7. Now 7. Now 7. It's 708. Then get it be there now. Now 1,011. Then get it 10 11. 1100. Then get it 10 11. Then get it 10 11. How about you, Junior? 10. Then get it 1100. Then get it 10 11. Then get it 10 11. 1100. Now then get it 1100. Then get it 10 12. Then get it 12. 13. 13. 13. 14. Now 14. Michael 14. 15. Under rapid side. 15. Now 16. 1600. Now 17. Sir. 1700. 1800. Then get it 18. 1800. Now 17. Then get it 18. 1800. Then get it 18. Michael 1800. 17. Then get it 1800. Then get it 17. Then get it 18. How about the man back there? 1800. 17. Get your corn off. Then you 17. Then get it 1800. Then get it 17. Then get it 18. Young man right here. $1,700. 221. Fire 221. Got the 215 black detail green table right here and almost $1,000 on it. Yeah, down there. Then get it down. Then get it down there. Then get it down. Then get it down. Get it 2 3 300 green table 200. Then get it now 4. Then get it more. 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 Green table 300 400 300 4. Now then get it 5 now 5. Get it now 6. Then get it 7. Then get it 6. Then get it 5 6. Now 7. Then get it somewhere now 7. Now 8. Then get it now 7 8. 800 now 8 9. Then get it 90. Then get it 9. Then get it 90. Then get it now 1,000. Then get it down now 11. 1100 now 10 11. Then get it 10 11. Then get it 11 10 11. Then get it 10 11. 1100 now 5. Then get it 11. Then get it 10 11. 12. Then get it 12. Then get it 12. 13 13 13 13 1300. Then get it on Robert 12. 13 12 13 1300. Then get it 12 13 13 13. Take me around 12 13 12 13 1300. Bob, you want back in 1300. Thanks for help. 13 13 12 13 12 13. Let's keep it with the machine so he can at least get his beat and run. $1,200. 107. Fire 107. Aaron's going to go around. Oh, that's good there.
Yeah.
There we go. Got that Strata. It's got a hydraulic cylinder underneath of it, scaffolding that's all like that. Gonna be stirred off on a couple different times. Don't do enough too high when you did. Buy the wagon, scaffolding all right there, and give about 300 on it. 300, then get it, then get it, then get it 200, then get it, then get it, then get it 100, quarter, 100 and a quarter on it. For the wagon, scaffolding and all, 100 and a quarter, then get it now, half, 1 and a half, 75, 75, 175, 2 quarter, now half, 2 and a half, 2 and a half, 75, you then get it to 75, 275, you're off, you then get it to 75, 250, now 75, 270, $300, then get it to 3, now 375, then get it to 3, 275, 300, now quarter, then get it to 3, quarter, new player now, now half, 3 and a half, 3 and a half, in 75, then get it to 75, 350, now 75, 3 then get it to 75, at 350, then get it to 75, 375, 3 then get it to 75, then get it to 350, then get it to 75, 3 then get it to 75, and I sold it straight away, $350, 105, fire 105. And there, have it is there. A 1950 truck, and we do have the title. We do have a title for it. We have a title for the 1950. It's a handyman special. This is all the parts John and I and Steve could find that we think goes with it. But you're right there, and we do have a title for it. Do have a 1950 title for the truck right there. Hey, there, $1,000, huh?
The old bed is still laying in front of
the old bed's back there behind, and most of the boards are rotted, so John and I left it lay. Aaron tried to pick it up with the pallet forks. It didn't work too well. And there you are. $1,000. $1,000. Then get it down. Then get it down. Then get it down. Get it 700. Then get it up. Then get it 2, 3. 200, 300, now don't have a title for it. 203, then get it a 2, 3, now 3, 3, 2, then get it a 300, then get it a 2, then get it a 3, then get it a 200, then get it a 300, then get it a 2, 3, then get it now 4, then get it now 5. Hit 500, then get it 5, now 6, then get it right behind you, John. 5, then get it right behind you. 5, then get it 600, then get it 5, 7. See, on the phone, he's out. 5, then get it 600, then get it 5, 7. 600, then get it 5, then get it 600, then get it 5, then get it 600, then get it 5, then get it now 7. At 700, now 7, then get it 7, no 6, then get it 700, no 6, then took us 7 days to get all them pieces out here. 600, 700, no 6, then get it 7. It's 700, no 6, then get it 700, no 8, then get it 8, no 7, then get it 8. You're all out now. 7, then get it my way. 7 out, you're out. 7, then get it 8. 800, now 7, then get it 8. Now 9, then get it 9. Now 1,000, then get it down. Then get it down. There's on now 11. 1100, now 11, now 11. Now 12, then get it 12. Then get it 12. 1300, 1300, 1300, 1300, 14. Now 14, now 14, 14, 15. Then get it 15. Now 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, 15. Then get it 15, 14. Then get it 15. 1500, then get it 15. Now 16. Then get it 15. Now 16. Then get it 15. Now 17. Now 70, 70, 16. Then get it 17. It's 1700, then get it 17. Now 70, 70, 70, 16. Then get it 17. Now 70, 70, 16. Now 17. Wait, 1700 at 1800. Then get it 17. Then get it 18. Now 18, 17. Then get it 18. 1800, Stevie. 17. Then get it 1800. Then get it 17. Then get it 18. 1800, 17. Then get it 18. You're done. $1,800. See if he's done. 17. Then get it 1800. Then get it 17. Then get it 1800. Then get it 17. Then get it 18. Now 17. Then get it 18. So straight away $1,700. 190 buyer. 190. As there's pulling up sometime first of the year, we're going to have an auction out at the fairground with a bunch of Chevy parts and a bunch of Pontiac parts. All kinds of Chevy and Pontiac parts from the 30s up. We haven't got the date set yet, but there'll be a ton of parts. Run 2 rings and nothing but car parts that day. Chevy and Pontiac. Set a clamp on girls there. Have it in there. Even there. Have it in there and give 100. $100 now. Let's go there. 100 and give it to 1 quarter. 100 and a quarter. Nope. You both out. I took it up here. 100. How half? 1 half. 1 half. No. No, I'm selling the duels. You thought, you know what I'm selling? I'm selling the duels. Yeah, I'm selling the duels. Yeah, not that yet. They're on the duels. Give $100 for the duels. $100. $100, then get it 1, then get it 1, 50 for the duels. $50, then get it 50, then get it 50, 25, 30, 25, 30 on the duels. Now 40, now 50, now 60, now we're on track, now 70, $70, now 80, $80, 90, then get it 90, now 100, then get it 110, 110, 10, 110, 110 on the bowl, clamp on duels, 100, now 10, 100, then get it 10, 10, 100, then get it 10, 100, now 10, 100, then get it 10, 10, 100, then get it 10, 100, then get it 1 to dime, 100, then get it 10, 10, 100, then get it 1, 10, 100, then get it 10, 100, then get it 10, 10, 100, then get it 10, right here, $100 bill, Jaguars, 250, buyer, 250, you're up tight more right there and get 300 on, $300, then get it 30, then get it 200, 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 then get it 150, $50 on it, 50, then get it 50, now 50, 50, then get it 25, 30, 25, get it 30, now 20, now 40, now 40, 40, now 50, then get it 50, now 50, 50, 50, now 60, $60 bill, 50, then get it 50, now 50, then get it 50, now 50, then get it 50, now 50, then get it 50, 50, then get it 60, $60 bill, 50, then get it 50, now 50, then get it 50, 50, then get it 50, now 50, then get it 50, $50 bill. Hey, get the greater blade right here. 3-point greater blade right here. 300 on. 300 on. Then get it 300. Then get it 30. Then get it 200. Then get it 200. Then get it 200. Then get it 200. Then get it 100. Then get it 140. 50. 40, 50 now. 50 now. 50 now. 50 then get it 50. 70. Then get it 70. No 70. 70. 70. 80. Then get it 80. No 70. Then get it 80. You're out, sir. $80 bill. 70. Then get it 80. 80. 90. Then get it 90. No 90. Now 100. Then get it 110. 110. 10. 10. 100. Then get it 109. 120. 130. 130. 130. 120. Then get it 130. 120. 30. 120. Then get it 130. 120. Then get it 130. 120. Then get it 30. 120, now 30, 30, sold Robert, $100, $20, 150, 150, buyer, 150, little rotary motor right there, and get 200 on, $200, then get it a 200, then get it a 200, then get it a 200, then get it a 100, then get it a 100, then get it a 130, 50, yeah, 40, 50, now 60, now 70, now 70, 70, 70, 70, now 70, now 70, 70, 70, 80, then get it 80, now 70, then get it 80, now 70, then get it 80, $80 bill, 70, then get it 80, now 70, then get it 80, now we do 70, then get it 80, now we do 70, then get it 80, 80, then get it last good, 70, then get it 80, $80 bill, 70, then get it 80, now 70, then get it 80, now 70, then get it 80, now we do 70, then get it 80, now we do 70, then get it 80, so John, $70 bill,
129.
129, buyer, 129, here's a little single bottom plow right here, even here, have it is there, and get 100, $100, looks like a John Deere, 100, then get it at 100, then get it at 100, then get it at 150, then get it at 50, now 50, 50, 50, 20, 30, now 40, now 50, $50 bill, you're out, John, 40, then get it at 50, now 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 60, then get it at 50, 50, then get it at 50, now 50, now 60, Chevy 60, sir.
Part of that plow is on that MT.
Is on that MT.
Whoever bought the MT's got
MT 60.
Two bottom.
Two bottom. 50, 60, then get it at 50, then get it at 60, now 50, then get it at 60, $60 bill, then get it at, now they're going to go out and plow with it yet today. 50, 60, then get it at 50, then get it at 60, now 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 50, then get it at 60. So, $50 bill.
129.
129, buyer, 129. This spreader's been completely redone, looks like, except the web. John and I found a web out there. We think it's the one that goes in it. We're not sure, but we put it in there. Other than that, Stu completely rebuilt that thing right there and get 300 on. $300, then get a 300, then get a 30, then get a 200, then get a do, then get a do, then get a do, then 200, then get a 100 quarter, 100 and a quarter, 100, then get a 125, 100, then get a 1 quarter, now 1 quarter, 1 half, 1 half, 1 half, 1 half, 175, 175, now 2, then get a do, now 2 quarter, hit 2 quarter, then get a now hand, 2 and a hand, 2 and a hand, 2 and a hand, 2 and a hand, 275, then get a 75, 250, 75, I bet he's got a web bill for it, 2 then get a 75, at 2 then get a 75, now 3, then get a 300, now 3, 75, now quarter, then get a 3 quarter, now half, 3 and a half, 3 and a quarter, half, hit 350, 375, 375, 3 then get a 75, 375, 3 now up 4, then get a 4, then get a 4, hit $400, now 75, then get a 4, then get a 4 quarter, then get a 4, 4 and a quarter, then get a 4, 4 and a quarter, 4 and a quarter, now half, hit 4 and a half, 4 and a quarter, then get a 4, 50, 25, then get a 4, 50, 4 and a quarter, then get a 4, 50, now 75, 475, 475, 4 and a half, 75, and now 475, 475, 500, then get a 500, now 5, you money, 5, then get a 5, then get a 5, hit $500, then get a 75, then get a 5 quarter, then get a 5 on a quarter, then get a 5 on a quarter, at 500, now 5 on a quarter, then get a 5, now half, 550, then get a 5 and a half, on a quarter. The wedge is easy saying the first place. On a quarter, half, on a quarter, then get a 5 and a half, and on a quarter, 5 and a half, on a quarter, then get a 5, 50, 25, then get a 5, 50, on a quarter, then get a 5, 50, on a quarter, then get a 5 and a half, so $525. 110, fire, 110. Up here on the planter, there's some extra parts in front of you, get them. The monitor's back there in one of them boxes. We put the monitor back there for it. Behind the old John Deere 7000, got all the extra parts, the monitor's back there and all right there. Even here, have it is there. 500 up. 500 then get it to 500, 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 then get it to 500. 3. Say 3, 3 and a half. Now 4. Now half. 4 and a half. 455. 50 and a half, Michael. Now 6. 7. 8. 1,000. 12 and a half. 15. 1,500. 12 and 15, then get a bit of 15, no problem, then get a bit of 15, then get a bit of 15, 17, I up to 2,000, 17, then get a bit of 2, got the monitor, 17, then get a bit of 2, 17, then get a 2, then get a bit of 17, then get a bit of $2,000, 17, then get a bit of 2, 17, then get a 2, then get a $2,000, 17, then get a 2, hit $2,000, 17, then get a bit of 2, 17, then get a 2, no, do they want in or not, 17, then get a bit 2, then get a bit 20, 2 and a half, 20, 500, 2,500, then get a 2, now 5, now 5, 2, then get a bit 5 right here, 2, now Travis, 2, then get a bit 5, 25, he's out, 22, then get a bit 5, 2, then get a bit 5, now 5, 2, then get a bit 5, 2, then get a bit 5, at 2,500, then get a bit, then get a bit by, then get a bit by, oh, wait, hold on, then get a bit by, then get a bit by, then get a bit 2,500. 158 on it, 20, 2 and a half, you'll put marijuana out in Ohio, got it legalized. And there, even there, have it is there. Buy the big long splitter right there. Your transfer all right there and get 300 on. 300, then get a bit, then get a bit, 300, then get a bit, then get a bit 200, then get a bit, then get a bit, then get a bit 100. 100, then get a bit 1 quarter. Now half, 1 half, 1 half, 1 half, 1 half, 175, now 2, then get a bit, then get a bit, then get a bit, 2 quarter. Hit 2 and a quarter, turn around, 200, then get a bit, 2 and a quarter, now 2 and a quarter, then get a bit, 200, then get a bit 25, 200, then get a bit 2 quarter, 200, 225, then get a bit, now half, 2 and a half, 2 and a half, 275, then get a bit 75, 275, 250, then get a bit 75, then get a bit 75, 250, 275, hit 2 and a half, 275, then get a bit 75, pull ahead, 2, then get a bit 75, 250, then get a bit 75, at 250, then get a bit 75, 2, then get a bit 75, 250, 75, so $250, 82, fire 82. We'll field collimator here. How many is there? 500 on. 500 under. Then get a bit of 500. 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 Then get that's good. Then get a bit of 500. Then get a bit of 5. Still 1, 2. 100 and a half. 100. Then get a bit of 50. Now 1, 1 and a half. Now 1, 1 and a half. 100. Then get a bit of 50. Now 100. 150. Then get a bit of 1, 1 and a half. Hit 100 now half. 100. Then get a bit of 50. Now 2. Then get a bit of 1. Then get a bit of 2. 1. Then get a bit of 75. 150. Now 75. Field collimator. 150, 75 with a drag. 150, 75. 150. Then get a bit of 75. Then get a bit of 150. Then get a bit of 175. 150. Now 75. 82. Then get a bit of 2. Hit $200 now. 2. Now quarter. Then get a bit of 2 and a quarter. Way out. 200. Then get a bit of 225. 200. Then get a bit of 2 and a quarter. Hit 2 and a half. 2 and a half. 2 and a half. Blue clock at 2 and a half. 75. 2. Then get a bit of 75. Hit 275. 250. Then get a bit of 75. 275. 3. Then get a bit of 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 3. Hit $300. 75. 3. Then 3. Help him, Ricky. 300. Then get a bit of 3. 75. 3. Hit $300. Then get a bit of 75. 3. Here we go. 75. Then get a bit of 3. Now 3. 75. Then get a bit of 300. Now quarter. Hit 3 and a quarter. Then get a bit of 300. Now 325. Then get a bit of 3. Now quarter. Now quarter. Now half. Hit 3 and a half. 3 and a half. 75. 3. Then get a bit of 75. Then get a bit of now 4. Then get a bit of 100. Now 4. All more. So $375. 107. Fire 107. There, have it is there. I got a little finish mark. Yep. Shots right there and all right there. 300 up. $300. Then get a bit of 300. Then get a bit of 3. Then get a bit of 3. Then get a bit of 200. $200, negative do, how much? 50, 75, 50, 75, 50, negative 75, low finish more, 50, now 75, 50, negative now 100, negative 1, 75, 100 quarter, 100, negative 125, you're out, John, 100 and a quarter, 100 and a quarter, half, one and a half, 75, 1 negative 75, 150, now 75, 175, John, 150, now 75, 150, now 75, now 2, negative 2, right behind him, $200, now 2, right there, 75, negative 2, negative 2, 75, negative 2, $200, 175, negative 2, negative 2, 75, negative 2, negative 2, negative 2, 175, negative 2, you all done, at $200, 175, negative 2, now 2, 75, sold, $175 goes, a little loader tractor.
94 done.
94. Find the oranges first. Hey there, how many is there? How many is there? 300. 300. Pretty low offer right there. 300. Negative 30, now 30, now 30, 33, negative 200. Negative 2, now 2.5. 2 and a quarter. 2.5. 275. 300. 300, 3 and a quarter. 3 and a quarter right behind you, John. 300, negative 30 and a quarter. He's out. 300, negative 30, 3 and a quarter, negative 300. I got the gentleman right here. 300, 3 and a quarter. 300, 3 and a quarter, negative 30, 3 and a quarter, negative 300, negative 30, 25, negative 3 quarter, negative the best one yet. 300, negative 30, 3 and a quarter. At 300, negative 25, negative 300, negative 30. Now high, 3 and a half, 3 and a half. Now 75, 3 now 75. That's it. 375, 3 now 4, negative the ball 100. Now quarter, negative at at 400, negative the ball 4 quarter, negative the ball 100, negative 25, 400, negative the ball 4 quarter. $400. 157, buyer, 157. This has got extensions on it right there. 700 done. So, yep, 700 there. Negative 7, negative 7, negative 500, negative 5, 5, negative 5, 3, 3.5, 300, 3.5, negative 50, now 30, 3.5, negative 50, now 30, 3.5, 4, negative 100, 3.5, 75, negative 75, 350, negative 75, negative 75, 350, 75, 3 negative 75, 375, 4, negative 4, now quarter, negative 4, quarter, negative 4, negative 4, quarter, 400, 425, negative 100, negative 4, quarter, negative 100, negative 25, negative 4, negative quarter, all in, all done, at 400, negative 4, quarter, negative 4, negative 4, quarter, now ball, so down here, 400 bucks, right up there, 129, buyer, 129, next one here, 2, 2.5. Next wagon, 200, 2.5, negative 15, 2, negative 15, 2, negative 15, 2, 2.5, negative 15, 2, 2.5, 200, 2.5, negative 15, 2, 2 and a quarter, negative 2, now 2.5, now 75, negative 75, negative 75, 275, negative now 3, right beside you, 300, he's looking at it, 300, now 30, 30, 30, 75, negative 3, 300, he's out, 75, negative 3, now 30, 30, 30, 30, up the hot quarter, negative 30, 30, quarter, negative 30, 30, half, 3 and a half, 3 and a half, 3 and a quarter, negative 30, 50, now 3 and a half, 3 and a half, 3 and a half, what do you mean no? Let me talk to him, 3 and a quarter, half, 3 and a quarter, negative 30, 50, now 25, negative 30, 50, now 25, negative 30, 50, now 25, negative 50, now 50, so $325, 194, buyer
129.
129, buyer 129. So down there doing this right here, $500. $500, then get it at 5. If it's not big enough, just go faster. $500, then get it at 500, then get it at 5, then get it at 5, then get it at 2, 2.5. 2 at 3. Now half, Michael. Now 4, then get it at the ball 4. Now half, 4 and a half. Now 5, then get it at 500. Nice little this. Now half, 5 and a half. Now 6, then get it at 6. $600, then get it at 550, then get it at 600, then get it at 550, then put out over there, 550, then get it at 6, then get it at Steve, you're out. 5 and a half, get it at 600, then get it at 550, then get it at 600, then get it at 550, then get it at 600, then get it at 550, then get it at 600, then get it at 600, then get it at 600, then get it at 5, then get it at 5, then get it at 600, buy 6. Put a 158 on it. That's $550. Little brand. Call them out right here. There's $1,000 or something. 700, then get it at 700, then get it at 700, then get it at 3, then get it at 30, 30, 30, 30, 4, 5, then get it at 500, now 6, then get it at now 7, and now 8, then get it at now 9, then get it at 9, now 1,000, now 11, then get it at 10, 11, 11, 11, 11, 11, 12, then 13, 13, 13, 14, then get it at 14, 15, then get it at 16, 16, 17, 17, now 1800, then get it at 18, 1900, now 2, then get it at 21, and now 2, now 2, now 3, now 3, 30, 23, then get it at 32, now 3, ground will be awful quality next year, 22, 23, $2,300, now 2, then get it at 32, then get it at 30, now 32, then get it at 30, 300, then get it at 32, then get it at 32, 3, put a 121 on it, $2,200 fire, 121. Corner. Four bottom flower here. Have it this there. You better have it there. Find me four bottom bridge here. 500 on. 500. Then get it at 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 300. Then get it at 30. Now 30. Then get it at 200. $200. Mike, you'll be doing a plowing. 100 and a quarter. I thought you would. 100 and a quarter. 100 and a quarter. Now half. 1 half. 175. Now 2. 2 and a quarter. 2 and a half. 275. 300. Cheap plow. 3 and a quarter. 3 and a quarter. Then get it at 30. 3 and a quarter out, John. 300. 3 and a quarter. Then get it at 30. 3 and a quarter. Then get it at 300. Then get it at 30. 25. 300. 3 and a quarter. 300. Then get it at 30. 3 and a quarter. 300. 325. Then get it at 300. Then get it at 30. 3 and a quarter. Then get it at 300. Then get it at 25. 300. Then get it at 30. 3 and a quarter. 300. Now 3 and a quarter. Put a 158 on it. $300 buyer. 158. You got the little generator up there. We're going to say the trailer generator null. This way Stewart had up there. Final generator right there. Wisconsin motor null right there. Get 200 on. 200 are negative 200, negative 200, negative 200, 100 are negative 100, negative 100, negative 100, negative 150, negative 50, negative 50, 20, 25. Got a Wisconsin motor on now 30. 30 Ricky, 30 are now 25, negative 30, now 25, negative 30, negative 30, now 25, negative 30, now 25, negative 30, now 25, negative 30, 30 are now 25, negative 30, 30 are on 25, negative now 5, negative now 40, negative 40, now 5, negative 5, 50, negative 50, negative 5, 55, 50, now 5, 50, negative 5, 5, 50, negative 5, 5, 50, negative 5, 5, 50, negative 5, 50, negative 5, 55, so 50, Loy Real. 96. Fire 96, get a little on sticker right there for 35, $35, 35, get a 5, 35, get a 25. 25, 21, get a bit of buy, 21, get a bit of buy, 21, get a bit of 30. 25, 30, $30 long sleeper, now 5, then get a bit of buy, 35, 40, then get a bit of 40, now 40, now 40, now 5, then get a bit of buy, 45, now 50, then get a bit of 50, now 5, then get a bit of buy, $55, 55 and 60, $60, now 65, 65, now 70, leaves are falling off, 70, now 5, 75, a lot of leaves around Fort Cover right now, 75, now 80, $80, 75, 80, then get a 80, now 80, 70, 85, 80, then get a bit of buy, 85, 80, then get a bit of buy, 85, 90, then get a bit of 90, no 90, no 90, no 85, 90, and $90 bill, 85, then get a bit, just let your leaves blow around, 85, 90, 85, then get a bit of 90, no 85, then get a bit of 85, then get a bit of 90, Randy, $85, 225, buyer, 225. You don't have to worry about this leaking because it's full of sand.
Oh, okay.
Clear full of sand right there. My lawnmower full of sand right there. 50, $50 on. Then get about 50, then get about 50, now 50, 50, get about 25, then get about 25, get about 5, 25, get about 5, 25, get about 5, 10. Lawn roller, she's full of sand. 500, then get a bit of 5, 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 $5. $5. 7.5, bless your heart. Now 10. $10, then get a bit of 10, 7, then get a bit of 10. Build you out, 7, then get a bit of 10, 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 7, then 10. 129 at 7:15. Little John Deere 212.
12.
Fine little 212 here, having it there. You might need to pump the tires up, might need the tie rods all straightened up and everything right there. There she says. Believe all the parts are on it. Don't know for sure. Right here, give a 300 on. Collector tractor, $300, then get a 30, then get a 30, now 200, then get a 2, then get a 2, then get a 2, then give 100. $100, then get a 1, then get a 1, then get a 25, 50, 75, 50, there's 75, $100. $100, now 100, then get a 1, 1 quarter, 100, now quarter, 100, then quarter, 100, he's out down here, 100, then get a 1, 1 quarter, 100, now half, 1 half, 1 half. What do you mean no? 1 quarter, half, 1 quarter, then get a 1, 50, 125, then get a 1, 50, 125, then get a 50, now 50, now 50, now 50, 125, then get a 50, now 125, then get a 50, now 50, 50, 125, then get a 150. So, at 125.
166.
166. I'll tell you what, they're just like take one or two. Take one or two. Last time they drove them, they run really good. But they haven't been drove for a long time. Fire motors right there, take one or both right there and get 300. 300 choice more. $300, then get a 3, then get a 300, then get a 33, then get a 200, then get a 2, then get a 2, then get a 2, then get a 200. 100 for choice, 100, then get a 1, 25, 50, 25, 50, choice more, 25, 50, now 25, then get a 30, now 25, get a 30, now 25, 30, 30, 40, 40, you say 40, now 40, 50, then get a 50, now 60, 60, now 60, 60 for choice, now 60, 70, $70, now 70, now 70, 60, then get a 70, and 70, take one or both, 60, then get a 70, now 60, then get a 70, now 70, 70, 60, then get a 70, now 70, 70, 60, then get a 70, 60, then get a 70. Sell them $60, you want one or two. Takes the green one. Punch your number again. 92, buyer 92. Took the green one, boys. Vinyl sprayer right there. Even here. Have it in there, pumping all right there. And get 100. $100, then get a bit of 100, then get a bit of 100, then get a bit of 1, then get a bit of 50. $50 on, then get a bit of 50, then get a bit of 50, 50, then get a bit of 50, then get a bit of 25, then get a bit of 25, get a bit of 5, 25, get a bit of 5, 25, get a bit of 5, 7.5.
Yep.
Now 10, then get a bit of 10, 7, then get a bit of $10, now 7, then get a bit of 10, 10, 10, 10, 12, 10, 10, then get a 15, then get a bit of 15, now 15, 15, 20, now 20, now 20, now 20, 25, 20, then get a bit of 5, 30, $30, now 30, then get a bit of 25, then 35, then get a bit of 40, then get a bit of 40, now 45, then get a bit of 5, 50, then get a bit of 50, now 50, now 50, and now 5, 50, then get out 50. Now buy new players, you then get a bit of 5, 65, and now 70, now 70, now 70, 70, 70, now we then get a 80, now 70, then get a 80, now we do 70, then get a 80, now 90, and now 100, 90, now 100, now 100, now 100, 90, now 100, now 100, now 100, 90, now 100, then get a bit of 100, 90, now get the blue hat, now 10, 10, right beside him, 100, then get a bit of 10, 100, 100, then get a bit of 10, 100, then get a bit of 10, 100, then get a bit of 110, 100, Bob's in, you're all out, 100, then get a bit of 10, 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 39, $100 bill, buyer, 39. Hold on, Bert.
Thanks.
Yeah, everybody, a little meter right there. Final kerosene or gas meter right there. 35 on it. $35. Then get it 35. Then get it 5. 35. Get it 5. 35. Get it 25. Then get it 25. Then get it 5. 25. Get it 10. 15. 10. 15. $10.15. Then get it 10. 15. On the meter. 20. Now 5. 29. Now 30. Then get it 30. Now 30. Now 5. Then get it 5. Now 50. Then get it 40. Then get it 5. 50. Then get it 5. Then get it 5. 50. Now 5. 50. Now 5. Then get it 50. Then get it 5. 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 So, Ricky, $50 bill. $50, then get a 50, then get a 50, 50, then get a 50, then get a 50, then get a 25, then get a 25, get a 25, 25, get a 25, 25, get a 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, take one or both, 30, your boat's out, bids over here, 25, 35, 35, then get a 5, you said, 30, then get a 5, 30, then get a 5, 30, then get a 5, 30, now 5, 35. Now $40 now 35, then get it, take one or both, 35, then get it 40, $40, 35, then get it 40, now 35, get it 40, you'll steal fuel off your neighbor, you gotta have a good tank, but 35, 40, now 35, then get it 40, whoever lives close to the Himmel Gardens, you're in trouble, 35, 40, now 35, then get it 40, now 35, now 40, sold $35, you want it both, boys, times 2, what is your number? 176, fire 176 times 2. Semi mount right here, and give $100, then get him at 100, then get him real cheap to steal gas from your neighbor. $100, then get him at 100, then get him at 100, then get him at 100. Evans, you got any gas down there?
No.
The Hamilton boys will be down. $100, then get him at 100, then get him at 100, then get him at 100 on the motor. 100, then get him at 150. $50 on, then get him at 50, then get him at 20, 30. 20, 30, semi mount, 20, 30, then get him at 20, then get him at 30, now 20, then get him at 20, now 20, 20, then get him at 20, then get him at 10, 15, $10.15, $10.15, then get him at 10, then get him at 15, now 15, 20, $20.15, then get him at 20 on the motor, 15, then get him at 20, now 20, now 25. At 25, couldn't find you boys, 20, then get him at 5, sir, 20, then get him at 5, 20, now 5, right there, yeah, 20, then get him at 5, at 20, then get him at 5, 20, then get him at 5, 20, then get him at 5, so Fisher Incorporated, $20 bill. Finally got him on the board. 188, fire, 188. Final runner mower right there. You been here. How many is it there? 50. $50 on. Then get him at 50. Then get him at 50. 50. Then get him at 50. Then get him at 25. Then get him at 20. Then get him at 5. 20. Then get him at 5. 20. Then get him at 10. 5, 10. $5, 10. Then get him at 10. Then get him at $10. Then get him at 5. 10. Then get him at 10. 10. 10. 10. Then get him at 10. Then get him at $10. Then get him at 5. 10. Then get him at 10. 5. Then get him at 10. $5 now 10. Then get him at 10. 10. 5. Then get I got him. 5. Then get him at 10. 10. 10. Just need the okay. $5, 10. Then get him at 5. Then get him at 10. 10. 5. Then get him at 10. His brother's a little quicker. Give me the okay. $5, 10. Then get him at 5. Then get him at 10. 10. 5. Then get him at 10. So 188. $5 bill. Buyer 188. Two greater blades, I'll tell you what, take choice, take one or two. Buy choice, I'm going to baits for 100 half. 150, then get him at 1 half, then get him at 1 half, give 100 for choice. $100, then get him at 100, then get him at 125, 30. 25, 30, choice greater blade. $30, now 25, then get him at 30, now 25, get him at 30, 30, then get him at 25, then get him at 30, now 25, buy choice. Now 5, 30, 35, 30, now buy choice, 30, then get him at 5, 5, 30, then get him at 5, 30, then get him at 5, 5, 30, then get him at $35, now 30, then get him at 5, 30, now 35. $35, now 30, then get a cheap glitter blades, 30, 35, 30, then get him at 5, 5, 30, then get him at 5, emails, 30, then get him at 5, 5, 30, then get him at 5, 5, 30, then get him at 5. So $30 bill times 2.
129.
129. Fire 129. There's a disc somebody made right there. Give 50 on it. Yeah, I think it's come from Freddie Gill Sliders. $50, then get him at 50, then get him at 50, 50, then get him at 50, then get him at 25, then get him at 25, get him at 5, 20, get him at 5, 10. $5 now 10, then get him at 10, 15, then get him at 50, now 50, 20, 20, now 5, then get him at 5, 5, 25, now 30, then get him now 5, then get him at 5, 30, now 5, now 40, then get him at 50, now 5, 45, then get him at 5, 5, 5, 50, then get him at 50, now 5, then get him at 5, 55, 5, 5, 5, 50, now 5, 50, $5 now 60, then get him at now 5, then get him at 5, 60, then get him at 5, 60, $5 now 5, 70, then get him at 70, now 70, now 70, now 70, 70, 70, now 5, then get him at 5, 75, 70, now 5, 5, 70, then get him at 5, 70, then get him at 5, 5, 70, then get him at 5, 188, $70 bill, don't work his garden up with it. There's my mount here. How many is it there? 25? $25. 25, get him at 5, 25, get him at 5, 25, get him at 5, 10, then get him at 10, 10, then get him at 10, 10, 10, then get him at 10, 10, then get him at 10, 5, 7 half. $5, 7 half, 10, then get him at 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 7, then get him at 10, then get him at 10, you're out, 7, then get him at 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 7 half, 10, get him at 10, 12 and a half, 15, now 50, be sure, 15, then get him at 15, now 17 and a half, 15, now 20, $20, 2 and a half, 22 and a half, 20, now 5, then get him at 5, 10, then get him at 5, then get him at 5, then get him at 5, 7 and a half, 27 and a half, 25, then get him at 15, now 5, 7 and a half, 25, now 7 and a half, 7 and a half, 7 and a half, 25, now 30, $30, now 30, then get him at 30, now 7, then get him at 30, now 30, now 30, so 27.50.
126.
126. Lawn Chief. Again, the last time they used it, it run like a new one. And $50 on it. 50, then get it at 50 now, 50 now, 50 now, 25. Then get it at Aaron put it over with the power forks. $50, then get it at 50, then get it at 25. Then get it at 25, then get it at 5, 25, get it at 5, 10. $5, $10, 5, 10. Lawn Chief. $5.10, then get a bit of $5, then get a bit of $10, $5 now, $7.5, then get a bit of $15, $5, $7.5, then get a bit of $15, $5, $7.5, have to get an okay from nobody yet. $5, $7.5, then get a bit of, now, I finally got an okay, $5, $7.5, $5, $7.5, then get a bit of $15, $5, $7.5, then get a bit of $15, $5, $7.5, $5, $7.5, thank you, $5 bill, 193, bar, 193. Hey, old sub cylinder right there, give a 200 bucks. 200, just say wait a little something. 200, then get a do, then get a do, 100, then get a do, then get a do, then get a 200, then get a 100, then get a 130, 40, 30, 40, now 50, then get out 60, then get a 50, now 60, then get a 50, now 70, now 70, 70, 70, 70, 70, then get a 70, now 60, then get a 70, now 60, then get a 70, 70, dollar bill, now 80, then get a 80, now 70, then get a 80, 90, then get a 90, now 90, now 100, then get a 1, 1, 1, 100, now 90, now 100, and 10, then get a 20, 110, then get a 120, now 20, now 20, now 20, now 30, 130, now 30, now 30, 40, 140, 130, now 40, 130, then get a 40, now 130, then get a 40, 130, then get a 40, 130, 140, 130, then get a 40, 130, then get a 40, 130, 40, so right here, $130. Put that on 159 bar, 159. Yeah, right there. Frame right here, 4 wheels and all right there. And get 300 up. $300, then get a 300, then get a 30, then get a 200, then get a 2, then get a 200, then get a 100, then get a 1, then get a half, 50, 75. 50, 75, 50, 75, 50, then get a 75, 50, then get a 75, 50, then get a 60, 50, then get a 60. Get the tandems on it, home, my wife, 50, 60, 50, 60, $60. 50, 60, then get a 50, then get a 60, now 50, then get a 60, then get a 50, then get a 60, now 50, then get a 60. Oh, and all done, 50, then get a 60 now. John, what'd you say about Lisa?
I didn't say a thing.
Liar. 50, 60, then get a 50, then get a 60, now 50, then get a now 70, then get a 70, now 70, 70, 70, 70, 70, now 70, now 70, 60, then get a 70, now 70, 70, 60, then get a 70, Ricky, 70, then get a 70, $70 bill, then get a 60, then get a 70, now 70, 70, 60, then get a 70, now 70, 80, $80, 70, then get a 80, now 70, then get a 80, 70, Ricky, $70 bill. 86. Got that big frame right here. 25, huh?
Best mistake you ever made.
$5.
Best mistake he ever made.
Sure, that's probably what you said about him. $25 on the frame. 25, then get a bit of buy, 25, get a bit of buy, 25, get a bit of buy, 25, get a bit of 10. 10, take. Lisa, it took me 2 mistakes to get it right. $20. I got it good the second time. $20, then get a bit of a she's a big girl, but I love her. $50, huh? $50, then get a bit of a then get a bit of a then get a 25, then get a 25. $25, 5, 10. $5, 10. $5, 10, then get a 15. 15, 20, now 5, 25, 25, 20, 25, 20, then get a bit of 5, 20, then get a bit of 5, 20, then get a bit of 5, 20, now 5. Good to see you, Mr. Funk. $20 bill. You're saying I've sold him in years. 163, bar 163. No planner for parts right there. Get 200 up. $200, then get a day, then get a 100. $100, then get a 100, then get a 100, then get a 100, 50, then get a 50, then get a 50, 50, then get a 50, then 50, 50, 50, then get a 50, then get a 25, then get a 25, 30. 25, 30, then get a 21, then get a holy friend of God. 25, get a 30, now 25, get a 30, now 25, 5, then get a 5, 35, 40, then get a 40, now 40, now 40, now 40, and now 5, 40, then get a 5, 45, 10, 40, now 5, 50, then get a 50, now 5, then get a 5, 55, 60, $60 bill, 60, now 5, then get a 5, 65, 70, then get a 70, now 70, now 70, now 70, $70, 65, then get a 70, now 65, then get a 70, now 70, so Kevin, $65.
153.
153, buyer, 153. Hey, get the older right there, $200. $200, then get a do, then get a do, 100, then get a do, 100, then get a 100, then get a 100, then get a 150, 50 on the older, 50, then get a 50, now 50, 50, 50, then get a 50, then get a 20, 25.
Yep.
Now 30, then get a 30, no 25, get a 30, no 25, get a 30, no 30, 25, 4 down the road, 25, get a 30, no 25, get a 30. 30 out 5, 30, then get a 5, 30, then get a 5, 30, then get a 5, 40, then get a 40, now 5. $45, 40, then get a 5, 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 $45, 40, 5, 50, 50, 55, $85, 50, then get a 5, 50, then get a 5, 50, then get a 50, $5 now, 50, then get a 5, 50, then get a 5, so $50 bill. 159, another minute spread right here and get $100, then get a 100, then get a 100, now 50. This was the next project. $50, then get a 50, then get 10, 15. $10, 15. That's the way the other looked before he started, I think. Now 20. $20, can't see. $20 okay there. $20. 15, 20, then get a 20, 50, then get a 20, no 20, no 20, 20, 50, then get a 20, no 50, then get a 20, then get a 20, 50, then get a 20, no 20, 20, 50, then get a 20, but not 20, no 20, 20, 50, then get a 20. So, Kevin, $15.
153.
153, bar 153, buy the corner, great table right here, and get 200 up. $200, negative $2, negative $200, negative $2, negative $200, $100, negative $100, negative $100, negative $50, negative $50, negative $50, 75, 50, 75, 50, 75, 50, now a lot of parts on there, 50, negative 75, 50, negative 68, negative now 70, negative 70, 70, 70, 70, 70, now 80, negative 80, now 80, 80, 90, negative 90, 90, 100, negative 1, 1, 90, negative 1, 90, negative 1, 1, give Travis that speaker, 90, 100, and 90, negative 1, 90, negative 1, 1, 90, negative 1, 90, negative 1, 90, negative 1, 90, negative 1, $90 bill, 150, borrow 150.